Hey, you. I know it's your birthday. No way.
It's gonna be a special day.
Aww. You can't see anything, but this right here
It's Shannon.
is Shannon. She is
I think we missed the bus.
turning 24.
The bus didn't come.
We're taking a night bus to where?
Hyderabad.
And still no sign of the bus. We're off the bus.
Exciting.
Our hero has arrived. We don't have to figure it out on our own. Praise God. But look, the golden arches.
Just kidding.
Yeah.
McDonald's.
45 minutes later.
We are on our way to see some.
Is this the birthday of your dream, Shannon?
What time is it now?
7:05.
Yes.
There's the birthday queen. What's she doing?
I was looking at my lip.
What happened?
I got hit in the face by a swing. Hi.
Wee! What are we in?
The thing you call an auto.
And where are we going? Whoa!
To get nuts.
No. There they are. The golden arches. Shannon, how do you feel?
Great. But I'm not sure if they have nuggets yet.
Ooh, man. Do they have nuggets? Look at those eyes. Those eyes have seen the nuggets. There they are. The nuggets.
Dreams do come true. Look at these.
Look at this.
Look.
Oh man. The golden nugget. Wow, this beautiful golden fries. Oh, the first bite. How does it taste, Shannon?
Sign a nugget.
I've been waiting for this moment for a long time.
She's tearing up.
Have food envy.
Look at that dunk. Oh, the right proportion of sauce. Look at that shock. So we stopped to go on this handprint thing, and we lost Shannon. So hopefully she's in here, because she was going to the bathroom. But there's a lot of bathrooms here, so we don't think she's in here. Well, we'll see what happens. We're out in the mall looking for Shannon. If you've seen her, please tell us.
Sorry, I had to go. But guess what? Emily Burwell bought me another chocolate bar.
That's so sweet.
So sweet. She just came up to me, gave me a hug, and said, "Hey, I just bought something for you." Now I
Dang.
have more chocolate.
Even when she was alone, she was never alone. Going to the fort.
Yeah.
Going to the fort. It looks so cool. Boom, 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 boom.
Guess who I saw?
Who'd you see?
I got to see Jenny on my birthday. She ran up and gave me a
Hero's
huge
mom.
hug. And Jenny's mom, Diana.
What could be better?
Nothing.
Nothing.
It's a good day. I got to see
Got to
Jenny.
see Ronald, McDonald, and Jenny's mom.
Started to rain. Now we're taking shelter. Ooh. Raining harder, Shan.
I know. Maybe I need to dance in the rain today.
Dance in the rain. Dance in the rain. Yay! 24 and loving it.
Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's on the other side. It's a climb.
walking, Bailey? Well, our auto driver told Shannon and Chrissy to get out and start walking because we are trucking our way up the hill. Good birthday, girl. He hates us so much. Help us.
Why are we going down the hill? Are you kidding me?
He's giving up on us.
If you're coming around again, tell me how you feel, 'cause I need to know.
So he dropped us off on the side of the road because he gave up, and now he's forcing us to pay him. Win on the world race. That was the most terrifying thing of my entire Indian experience.
My life.
Okay, now we have to find another tuk-tuk, so wish us luck. Guys, we successfully made it! Yay! We survived.
Oh my gosh. It's nighttime.
Yeah.
What has happened since our cake has happened?
Brittany bought me a cheesecake.
A whole cheesecake?
Cheesecake. And
Fancy spinners. No, thank you. What else has happened today? You got some chai?
got some chai tea with some biscuits.
Yes, sure.
I'll tell you about the nuggets later.
Okay. What did we do last night? We had fill in.
What did I tell you?
You got chicken nuggets for dinner.
Sierra bought me nuggets. I had 20 nuggets yesterday.
Wow.
20 nuggets.
Only 4 more
I
to go.
couldn't do more for 24th birthday. That's too many nuggets.
Yeah.
Didn't even see it happen.
It was so fast. It's done. How do you feel? You're amazing.
I'm crying.
Look at that
Why
hair.
am I crying?
She's just drama queen. I told you. What did we talk about in the car?
Hi.
It looks so good. Well, the deed is done.
Feel great.
She looks great. Hey Shannon, what happened after we left the piercing place?
We didn't get to see Dunkirk. We sprinted, we ran, and they said it was sold out. Like, I got some more nugs to try to make it better, but they just weren't as satisfying as I hoped today.
But she had over 24 nuggets, and that's all that matters.
In the past 24 hours, I've had 26 nuggets. I'm kind of ashamed to admit. My mom would not be proud.
2 to grow on. We have made it to the mothership. Shannon's birthday dinner. Cheers! The team is back together.
God is so good.
I'm sorry, yeah, they don't have
He knew what I
bananas.
needed for my birthday. Happy
did.
birthday to me.
I have to